This is how to get the new Sora 2 for free. First of all, go to your VPN and make sure you are in United States of America. So for this video tutorial, we're going to select New York. So after you connect your VPN, go to hoa.net to check if your IP is in New York. As you can see, we're in New York City. So the next step is to go to Google, go to the search bar and search for sora.chatgpt.com. Click on the search button, then the first one, select it. So next step is to sign up. You can see we are now on the Sora site. Go to login section, then click on sign up for free. Then let's sign up with our email address. So I will take you through how to get the invitation code, the invite code. I'll put the link below where you can get the invite code. So let's check our email for the verification code. Log in the email. Okay, you can see 461308. Copy. Paste. Continue. So input your full name, then the date of birth. So in this date of birth, make sure you are above 18. So let's just put a random date of birth. Click on continue. So yeah, let's choose the username that we use for our Sora. So click on invitation code. Then I will leave a link below where you can get this invite code. So make sure you use it. Copy. Let's copy this one. So the invitation code will be for the first 20 people. So it's loading. So this invitation code will give you access to free video AIs where you can modify or do anything with it. So I will leave a link in the description below where you can get the invitation code. And mind you, this Sora 2 is only out in the United States of America, so you need to be in the US for you to download the app on your phone. So do it to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, let me know.